Hey guys, and today I'm gonna be playing Bee Swarm Simulator. I think this is the first ever video in it. However, I do play Bee Swarm. Um, I'm gonna defeat KB and TB, I think. No, I think TB is not in right now. By the way, I'm saving up for thing. You would already know by the time you look at this. Well, if you play Bee Swarm. Okay. Oh wait, is my coconut crab in? That's gonna be horrible if so. Might as well. Where is it? I need a white field, not a red field. God. Lord, man. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. It's kinda annoying. Wait, no! I missed the silver egg! Oh! If I got it, I would have donated it to the... Man, that sucks. Hey, ticket. Well, that was really unlucky. It disappeared by the time I got there. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna donate. Oh, okay. I have two, but I'm gonna save up for 7 ant passes, then donate them all at once. What does this dude have? Ooh, level 12 and 13. I swear, if my coconut crab's in. Oh, great. I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm gonna do it off camera because it'll take a while. And plus I get, yeah. Plus it takes a while. Cause, ooh, star jelly. Nah. Wait, what? Okay, that was insane, look. I thought it was gonna leave with nothing. I need boosts. What should I donate? I want to use the magic bean. I don't know, but I think I'm just gonna do Bitterberry. That's literally all I don't need. Sorry, Bitterberry. I meant Neon Berry. I don't need Neon Berry. Although I think that's not gonna help that much. Yeah, it didn't. Why me? Coconut. Holy, I'm actually, wow. I have to actually grind in Sunflower, so I guess it's not really, it's not too bad. Oh, can I get glitter? I don't want world. Really? Oh. I already have 1,000 royal jellies. Why the hell do I even need that? And then, Well, time to start grinding. After I get the item that I'm planning to get, I'm gonna get diamond drenchers. I'm gonna look at how much. Okay, it gives me a decent amount. I also have the stupid science bag quest, aka the last one. I don't have any music bees. How am I supposed to do that? And plus I only keep my hive gifted. Look, I'm nothing. No music bees. I like my hive all gifted, so yeah. Yeah. Woohoo. Okay, I might even skip ahead because, like, until my boost finishes, because it's like really, you know, I don't want to keep y'all being like bored of looking at me grinding pollen for a while. So I'm gonna I'm gonna grind this boost off and then get back to you. Well, I finished the white pollen quest, but yeah, that sunflower is gonna take a while. Yeah, it seems like I'm not gonna be able to finish this quest because there's only 7 minutes left on the boost. If I had a glitter, I would probably use it as well, but I don't, which is sad. Oh right, I was planning to platinum magic bean. Might as well do that then. Look. This dude is AFK grinding stump field. Who's that? How the hell did okay, how does his backpack even get full? I'm not sure. Holy legendary! What the hell? Say what? I didn't even. It was just my. Okay. I'm gonna use all my cloud bars. Why not? No, I'll just use 3. Never mind. I could probably already take it down with 3. But like, I'm speechless. I only used 1 sprout. Oh wow, my tabby love is at 99. As I was saying, I used only 1 sprout and I got a legendary sprout. Unbelievable. I need to collect everything. Give me all those pineapples. Yay, enzymes! Okay, what did I get? Holy, I got so many. That was... Okay, let's see what I actually got there. Strawberries, blah. Okay, it's like all divided for some reason. I'm gonna put this in the crafting thing. No, with that amount of tickets, I'm gonna go buy another ant pass. By the time, oh wait, right, daily royal jelly. Gimme. Thank you. Ooh. Oh wait, I forgot to go in a gummy layer. Oops. Might as well. Okay, that's the wrong spot. I am an idiot. Yay. Time to die. I don't really need glue though because I already have the amount I need. So, let's see. I have that will get me to 141 enzymes, right? Yep. And then I'll just need 9 more. No, I don't want to do Commando Chick. It'll take forever. I don't even know what defeat I'm on right now. Commando Chick. Or should I? That's gonna take a long time. In that case, I'll do this off camera. Okay, I'm gonna do it off camera. I'll see you after I defeat this thing. Oh, and if you wanna see me play B-Swarm again, comment down below if you wanna see me do more B-Swarm videos. Oh wait, no, I'm gonna go Vicious Bee hunting since it's night time. Nothing in clover, right? Yeah, nothing. Oh, it's in spider. There it is. Boop. Level 3, seriously, oh. Hey, I'll at least get daily stingers. Okay, I'm kind of laggy. Oh, wait, what? Where's my daily stingers? Wait, what? That makes no sense. Oh, okay. Never mind. I get it. I'm gonna yay, strawberry. I'm gonna grind there for a while, why not? I have way more. I don't need glue. I don't need that. I'll make that to 40, why not? Yay, 100 tabula, finally! I think it's been a week since I bought Tabby V, I think, I'm not sure. Holy, oh, whoa, I'm making lots of. I wanna see what my oh, it's actually doing decent. The rose is the most, I always grind in rose, when I get a boost. Like, let's say I don't get Pepper Patch, but I get rose, I go rose.